Many people want to change their lives. They want to be healthier, happier, or more successful. But when they try, they often stop after a few days. The reason is simple: they try to change too much at once. Real change does not need to be big. It can start with one small habit. A small habit is something easy that you do every day. It looks small, but it can make a big difference over time. Think about brushing your teeth. You do it every day. It only takes 2 minutes, but it keeps your teeth healthy for years. The same is true for other habits. A small action done every day can help you build a better life. Let's look at what a small habit really is. A small habit is something simple and short. You don't need much time or energy. For example, drinking 1 glass of water in the morning, writing 1 sentence in a notebook, or walking for 5 minutes after lunch. These things are easy, but they can change how you feel and think. When you do them every day, you start to believe in yourself. You begin to say, "I can do this." That feeling is the first step to a new life. The secret of building a small habit is to make it easy. If you start with something too big, you will stop. But if you start small, you can continue. For example, if you want to read more books, start with 1 page a day. If you want to exercise, start with 2 minutes. When it feels easy, you can do more later. The goal is not to do a lot in one day. The goal is to do a little every day. It helps to connect your new habit to something you already do. For example, after I brush my teeth, I will drink water. After I eat breakfast, I will stretch for 1 minute. This way, you don't forget. You can also put a note on the wall to remind yourself. Make it simple and clear. Soon, it becomes part of your routine. It's also important to make your habit enjoyable. When you finish your small habit, smile. Say to yourself, "Good job." You can even mark a little X on a calendar each day you do it. When you see many X's in a row, you will feel proud. You will want to keep going. The feeling of progress is one of the best rewards. Let's take an example. Imagine you want to be healthier. You can start by drinking 1 glass of water in the morning. You can put a glass next to your bed before you sleep. When you wake up, it's already there. You don't need to think. You just drink it. After a few weeks, this action becomes automatic. You don't need to force yourself. You do it naturally. Next, you can add another habit, like walking after lunch. You don't need to run for an hour. Just walk for 5 or 10 minutes. While you walk, you can listen to music or enjoy the air. You will notice that you feel more relaxed. You will also feel more energy in the afternoon. That small change helps your mind and your body. If you want to learn something new, a small habit works too. For example, if you want to learn English, don't study for 2 hours once a week. Study for 10 minutes every day. Listen to a short podcast, read a small text, or write a few sentences. Daily practice helps your brain remember better. You can make more progress in less time because you are consistent. Your environment can help you do your habit. If you want to read more, keep a book on your bed or desk. If you want to drink more water, keep a bottle near you. If you want to eat fruit, put it where you can see it. Make good habits easy and bad habits hard. For example, if you want to eat less junk food, don't buy it. When it's not at home, you will not eat it. Small changes in your space can make a big difference. Some people call this idea habit stacking. It means you add a new small habit after one you already do. For example, after making your morning coffee, you can take a deep breath and say 3 things you are thankful for. After washing dishes, you can prepare your lunch for tomorrow. Because you already do the first action, it's easier to remember the second one. This makes building habits simple and natural. Of course, there will be days when you feel tired or busy. That's okay. On those days, just do a small version of your habit. For example, if you usually walk 10 minutes, walk for 2 minutes. If you usually write a page, write 1 sentence. The most important thing is not to stop. Doing a little keeps the habit alive. You can always do more tomorrow. A good rule is never miss twice. If you miss one day, don't worry, but try to come back the next day. This keeps your progress steady. Missing one day doesn't ruin your work. Missing many days does. So be kind to yourself, but also stay responsible. You are building a better you, one small step at a time. It can also help to tell a friend about your habit. You can share your goal and check in with each other. For example, both of you can decide to stretch for 5 minutes every morning. You can send a message like, "I did it." This makes it more fun and helps you stay motivated. Sometimes we do better when we know someone is walking with us. When you keep your small habit for weeks and months, you will start to notice real change. Your body feels better. Your mind feels calmer. You feel more confident because you keep your promises to yourself. You will start to believe, "I can change my life." And you cannot with big actions, but with small ones. Let's think about time. If you improve just 1% each day, you may not see a big difference in 1 week. But after 1 year, that small progress becomes huge. You will be stronger, smarter, and more peaceful. The power of small habits is not in one big moment. It is in daily repetition. It is in showing up again and again. So, how can you start? Choose one small habit today. Make it clear and simple. Connect it to something you already do. Prepare your space so it's easy to start. Mark your success each day. Smile and say, "Good job." And when you miss, start again the next day. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue. Maybe your habit is to drink more water, walk more, learn a few English words, or write your thoughts. It doesn't matter what it is. What matters is that you start small and stay consistent. Every time you do it, you are building a stronger version of yourself. You are showing your brain that you can grow. Transforming your life does not mean changing everything. It means choosing one small thing and doing it with care. You don't need to rush. You don't need to compare yourself to others. Your journey is yours. Every small action counts. Every small habit brings you closer to the person you want to become. Start today. Pick one simple habit and do it now. Then do it again tomorrow. Step by step, you will see that small actions can create big results. That is the quiet power of change. That is how you transform your life, one small habit at a time.